Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Amazon tablet says water in charging port. If the tablet is connected to a charger, unplug it right away and do not try to charge the device while the warning is active. Charging with moisture preset can damage the tablet. Just hold the power button and tap power off. Turning off the device helps prevent electrical issues. Now, place the tablet in a dry, well-ventilated area and lay it flat with the charging port facing down and leave it for at least 30 minutes for a few hours. Now, if you suspect trapped moisture, tap the tablet and use compressed air like short bursts or from a distance. Also place the tablet near silica gel packets or uncooked rice outside the port to absorb the moisture. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.